for today. Radio warning alarms and EAS signal. These signals are used to activate specially designed receivers when warnings or select watches are issued for potentially dangerous situations. This routine monthly test is being conducted to test the tsunami warning system in conjunction with Tsunami Preparedness Week. The warning is in effect at this time. This is only a test. Again, this has been a test of the NOAA weather radio warning alarm and EAS signal. We now return to the regular broadcast cycle. Esto es una prueba Delaware la alarma Delaware advertencia Delaware la radio Delaware NOAA Southeast Nails EAS. Estos Southeast Nails Southeast utilizan para activar los receptores especialmente diseñados cuando Southeast emiten advertencias Delaware situaciones potencialmente peligrosas. Esta prueba Southeast realizamiento para probar el sistema Delaware Alert Delaware Tsunami. Ninguna advertencia Eastern Standard Time en efecto en este momento. Esto es solo una prueba. Otra vez, esto ha sido una prueba Delaware la alarma Delaware advertencia Delaware la radio Delaware NOAA Southeast Nails EAS. Ahora volvemos a Alabama ciclo regular Delaware Diffusio North. The area forecast for the peninsula, North Bay,